For many, making money on YouTube is the dream. After all, YouTubers appear to have a great life and the adoration of their fans to bask in. And since creating a YouTube channel is easier than ever, there's no harm in thinking big and aiming high. But while creating a YouTube channel is simple, turning it into a cash machine isn't as straightforward. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or landing a sponsorship deal, but maximizing earnings requires understanding all your options before you dive in. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube, then it's essential that you're aware of the YouTube Partner Program and how it works. YouTube content creators won't be able to monetize any of their videos until they've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. When your YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public views, it'll be reviewed to join the Partner Program. This means that you won't be able to generate any revenue until you've hit these numbers, so it's essential to continue creating content and increasing your channel's reach. You can apply for the monetization once you meet the program's criteria. How many views do you need to make money on YouTube? The number of views your videos get doesn't correlate to your YouTube earnings. If you get thousands of views, but no one clicks your ads or consumes content, you won't earn any money. YouTube even has criteria for paying publishers running ads on their channel. A viewer must click the ad or watch it in full for you to earn money. That said, there is good news for people learning how to make money off YouTube. You're no longer solely dependent on advertisers to earn revenue. Programs like YouTube Premium now exist to help you make money without ad clicks or consumption. Number 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. How do you make money on YouTube besides running channel advertisements? YouTube Premium is the answer. YouTube Premium is a paid membership service that enables people to watch ad-free videos. Creators don't have to do anything, as they'll automatically get a second revenue stream when YouTube Premium members play their videos. As with YouTube monetization rules for advertising-based revenue, most of the revenue generated via premium membership fees will go to creators. Total revenue distribution is based on how much premium members watch your content. Premium members will also get the opportunity to download and watch your videos offline and play them in the background, which contributes to your watch time. Number 3. Offer channel memberships. When your YouTube channel gets more than 30,000 subscribers, you can add another income stream by leveraging channel memberships. This is where fans pay $4.99 a month for a membership package that includes perks like early access to videos, members-only live chat, exclusive emojis, and more. Members will be highlighted in comments, live chat, and the community tab through special members-only badges. Because audiences are well aware that it can be a real challenge to get a YouTube creator's attention, it makes sense to offer channel memberships. And you've got another answer for how to make money from YouTube. Pro tip: use your videos to remind people that they can become exclusive members by clicking the Join button on your page. Number 4. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Businesses are well aware of the potential which YouTube channels with a large following have. And they're always looking to exploit this to grow their own business. Once you've garnered a substantial following on the platform, you'll likely experience businesses reaching out to you and requesting you to promote their products in exchange for cash. Consider becoming an affiliate of these brands and including product placements in your videos. You can also sign up for popular affiliate programs to expand your affiliate network. It can be a great way to generate some extra revenue, but be careful when doing this, as viewers are well aware when something is being advertised. Pro tip: only promote products that you think will be valuable for your audience and disclose the partnership to your viewers. That'll help you comply with YouTube's policies. Number 5. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. Super Chat is a popular new way to make money from YouTube. The feature lets your audience buy chat messages that stand out and, in certain instances, pin them to the top of the comments section of a live stream. So when you go live on YouTube, you can use Super Chat to monetize your stream. YouTube monetization rates for Super Chat range from $1 to $500, and the company takes a 30% cut from the revenue. For anyone wondering how to make money from YouTube Super Chat, the key is to organize and promote live streams. Promote them in videos, on other social media platforms, and anywhere else where your audience loves hanging out. Number 6. Become a YouTube influencer. With influencer marketing on the rise, there's a big opportunity for you as a creator to get in on the action. But where do you start? According to YouTube marketing expert and influencer Brendan Gahan, creators should establish a flat fee by taking the number of views their videos typically receive and multiplying it by 15 cents per view. Digital marketing agency WebFX listed the following figures for how much YouTube influencers can expect to earn. $20,000 per video for a creator with 1 million subscribers, $2,000 per video for a creator with 100,000 subscribers, $200 per video for a creator with 10,000 subscribers. The key to earning more is to partner with brands whose products are valuable to your audiences. Number 7. Lead viewers to your products. It doesn't matter whether you're already running an e-commerce business or you're just looking to learn how to make money from YouTube. It's a great idea to promote your products on your channel. You can promote the items in both your videos and your descriptions. It's a great way to generate more traffic to your website. If you haven't already set up your store, you can use Shopify to set up your own store with ease. Once you've got your store up and running, you can sell products that make sense to promote to your audience, be it merch, products that you've mentioned in your videos, or just items that you think your viewers will be interested in. If you're exploring how to make money from YouTube, this is a great opportunity. How to make money from YouTube videos. If you've been wondering how to make money from YouTube videos that you post, there are a few great tips that you'll need to keep in mind when you're creating content. Number 1. Try to make your videos 10+ minutes long. When you create videos for YouTube that are longer than 10 minutes, you'll have a higher chance of generating more money through ad revenue. YouTube videos that are longer than 10 minutes will likely have a higher watch time, which positively contributes towards the amount of ad revenue that said videos would generate. Also, videos that have a higher average watch time will appear higher up in YouTube's search results, which means there's a higher chance for users to view your content. Number 2. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One tactic that you can use to make money from YouTube videos is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a great method that will allow you to grow your YouTube presence, add unique content to your channel, and open up your content to a whole audience. Do some research on YouTubers who are active in your niche and reach out to them with a great video idea. They'll more than likely be interested in collaborating. Number 3. Create engaging and informative content. This is vital for the success of your YouTube channel. YouTube users are always searching for videos that will entertain them or will give them value. If you can provide your audience with video content as such, they'll be likely to watch the whole video and come back for more video content in the future. Pro tip: dive into YouTube analytics to see which demographic is paying more attention to your videos. Doing so will give you a better idea of what type of content to create. For example, if you find that your videos are more popular with Gen Z, you can try using a few of their favorite slang words in your videos. Number 4. Make the most of your descriptions. Descriptions are another valuable answer to how to make money from YouTube videos. They help people discover your content and decide whether to watch or skip it. When writing descriptions for your videos, follow the age-old journalistic writing approach. Mention the most obvious things first, then work towards the less crucial ones. Also, try explaining what viewers will gain by watching the entire video and try mentioning at least a few of their pain points. Pain points get people to click. Lastly, use language that your prospective audience will understand and relate to. Number 5. Build your following with consistent posting. When you're running a YouTube channel, it's a great idea to post content consistently. When you maintain a steady stream of content for your viewers, they'll remain engaged with your channel. This means that they'll be much more aware of your online presence and the properties attached to it, like your e-commerce business. How to make money on YouTube without making videos. The only way to make money from YouTube without creating videos is to reuse other people's content. Not many people know this, but YouTube has a library of videos that fall under the Creative Commons license. Some forms of the license enable you to publish other people's videos on your channel and make money from them. For example, if you find a video that's published under the CC BY license, you can use it and even make adaptations to it to reflect your own input. How to get paid on YouTube? Anyone exploring how to make money from YouTube may also want to learn how to get paid by YouTube. You'll need to set up a few things to receive payments from the company. Firstly, sign up for a Google AdSense account using your Gmail ID. Then select your choice of payment from wire transfer, Western Union Quick Cash, electronic funds transfer, single euro payments area, and checks. Depending on your location, you may also need to submit your tax details while creating your AdSense account. Once AdSense is set up, you can request payment after you meet the minimum payment threshold. When do you start making money on YouTube? You can monetize your YouTube account as soon as you're accepted into the partner program. Before that, you can try landing sponsorships from brands that pay creators to make good content. If you run an e-commerce store, you can start making money on YouTube the same day you create an account by promoting your items through the platform. Just make sure to spread the word beforehand that you'll be showcasing your products and leaving links through your channel. How many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? You need 1,000 subscribers to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to monetize your channel and earn revenue from ads. How many YouTube views do I need to make $100? Several factors determine how much you can earn from YouTube. Video creators get paid per click on in-video and banner ads, so you could get 10,000 views and make $100. It depends on how relevant the ads are to your audience and whether they click or ignore them. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.